Attorneys for convicted killer Alec Murdaugh filed an appeal with the South Carolina Supreme Court this week in an effort to get a new trial. They argue the jury in his original trial was tampered with and that the trial judge allowed improper evidence. We spoke with one of those jurors today who's come out with her own book about it all.
I hope the reader can feel what I experienced as the juror.
Amy Williams was the 12th juror in Alec Murdaugh's 6-week-long double murder trial.
Without a shadow of a doubt, I knew by the time he got off the stand, he was guilty.
It took less than 3 hours for all of the jurors to agree Alec Murdaugh was guilty.
The Snapchat video was that was the smoking gun, I would say, right? And then when he got on the stand, that just tied a pretty bow on it, I say.
Judge Clifton Newman sentenced Murdaugh to life in prison for the murders of his wife Maggie and son Paul, but Murdaugh's attorneys have fought for a retrial, claiming the clerk of court swayed the jury's decision. How was that when all of these allegations came out about alleged jury tampering and Becky Hill's involvement? I mean, what was going through your mind during all of that?
I was at work and I was thinking, oh my God, where is this coming from? I don't remember any of this.
At one point, the case did return to court for an evidentiary hearing on the matter, and jurors had to take the stand.
It was like everybody thought we were mindless robots and that somebody could actually convince 12 people to vote the way that they wanted us to vote. I mean, I just thought that was crazy.
Ultimately, Justice Toll ruled there was no need for a retrial, but that hasn't dissuaded Murdaugh's attorneys. Williams and her co-author, Shana Hirsch, say it's their hope anyone who reads their book, The Long Road to Justice, Unraveling Alec Murdaugh's Tangled Web, will have no doubts about the jury's decision.
I hope that they can see that we did have the common sense and intelligence that God gave us to understand the witness testimony and the evidence that was presented before us to come to an informed decision.
Williams will appear at the Pooler Library at 11 tomorrow morning to promote her new book. Proceeds from the book sales will go towards Williams' new nonprofit, which will be a domestic violence shelter called Sanctuary House. For more details, head on over to WJCL.com.